Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today again we're talking about a sewing project. Everything started when two of my best friends invited me to their wedding, and I really wanted to wear flowy giant palazzo pants, but I am 1 meters tall, almost 6 feet for Americans, so I could find none that was fitting me. The second reason that pushed me to try to sew my own outfit is that it can't be just me, but I think that formal dresses are overpriced. If you think about it, you wear them twice or 3 times in your life and you spend a lot of money. So let's start seeing my creative process. Here we go again with one of my crazy ideas. Gonna show you many years ago I did this skirt with a top that is not fitting me anymore, so I gave it away. I wasn't skilled enough so that this could actually carry all the weight. It's nice, but I wanna do something that I can wear more often. I wanna turn it into high-waisted trousers. So the first process has been unstitching the skirt. Oh my god, when I did it, I didn't have the sewing machine. Everything is hand stitched. Not that bad, but we're gonna tear it apart. It is so thin that I decided, yes, it's really thin, like you see. So I decided that if I'm placing a white linen, it would be a nice effect, I think. The decision of placing white lining underneath has been so rewarding. I don't know for what chemical or physical reaction, but with the white underneath, all the pants gain a sort of silver reflection that made them even more elegant. I doubled the sheet and I'm gonna use the same pattern that I used for my shorts. If you wanna remember this video, the link will be here up. And then I'm gonna do exactly the same with a purple fabric. The process that will follow will be really rapid because I already explained step by step what to do in the video where I turned a piece of curtain into shorts. To understand how long to cut these trousers, I'm gonna use a pair of trousers that I already have that are a little bit flared at the bottom. Easy work. Evie, I love you, but let me go on. One is pinned. I will pin also the second one, high voice, and then I cut. I don't have much light, and how I explained you, when you cut, you really have to cut with daylight. So I'm gonna go on another day. Okay, folks, so I cut it both the white and the purple for the back piece and the front piece, but this time, differently from the shorts that I did, I would like the zipper to be at the back. I will start like joining the two front pieces together. I am dealing with the front part of the crotch. So, with the help of voice, not now, oh my god. So, I put together the area of the crotch of the front piece and the back piece still here, because here I have to put the zipper. And now I'm gonna attach the legs. I'm gonna do it inside out, but just so that you can understand the result, it will be like this. In the back part, the one that I left a little bit open for the zipper, I did also the 2 darts. I'm going a little bit quicker because I already explained everything in the shorts. Of course, I have to short them a little bit, but I don't know if I like the fit. Maybe first I'm gonna do the belt and then I'm gonna decide it. Now I am gonna attach the belt exactly the same way that I did the last time, like here, and then I'm gonna clean everything, folding up the second time.
When the belt was up, the fit was so much better. But because it was a lot of purple, I really wanted the shoe to be visible. So let's see what I did.
Here we go. So these are the almost finished trousers. I think I will do something in order to let the shoe shine, and at the back I want it long. So for the hemming we're gonna do something special. I am hemming the trousers as you can see. I'm doing an invisible stitches. That means, I'm gonna show you. You take one single thread and then you stitch. Do you see the difference? Like this one in respect of this one. I left some inches here, and I'm gonna do the same also with the second leg. To be sure that I'm cutting the same piece, I just took the piece that I already cutted from the first leg and I just flipped it over.
Woohoo! And now comes the hard part, the top. I had so much back and forward. Let's start seeing the clips.
At the top, I think I'm gonna use something nude, like this one, and I am gonna attach something somehow in this color, with this color, so that it will match. And I really wanna do a crop top cape. I think it's really elegant. I don't know, this is the idea. We will see. As always, I'm gonna use as a template a top that I already have, and I'm gonna make it sleeveless. I decided that I want to do the front and the back exactly the same, so I folded it into also the second piece, and I'm gonna cut exactly the same shape that I just made. Because it surely will fray, I'm gonna hem in a, let's say, double hem, this way. You see here I already prepared it so that everything is clean. I think it's the right amount, because when I'm down, it's okay, and when I'm up, you can barely see my tummy. I'm thinking of using some stripes. I will pin them and we will see. I don't know if I like it.
So the first idea was an entire flop. It was so hard to cut straight this small amount of fabric. But having these stripes, I got another idea.
I'm having a super crazy idea. If I do layers of stripes like this, Charleston style. The first row has been done. As my husband says, it's a little bit Pocahontas, but we're doing the second one to see how is the general result. Cutting more and more pieces of fabric. Okay, I made a couple of layers and I tried to place all the layers. I think I like it. In this moment there are, how many layers? 1, 2, 4 layers. And you know what I'm gonna tell you? When I'm gonna dance, I think it will be a nice effect. Here we go, I put in line all my stripes and then ready, go. I don't know. Somehow I love it and somehow I hate it. Maybe I think that the thing that I'm most bothered about is that it's not exactly my color, but it's kind of similar, but I am more red and this is more yellow. If I'm gonna cover the nude in this purple, do we like it?
And I began another evolution of this top trying to solve it.
Because the color is not the same of my skin, as you can see, I decided that I will put a lot of pearls here around. It will give the illusion that this is skin because it won't be directly with my own skin. I think much better in respect of this side. So I'm trying to define also this part and later on this part. And then something like this over it for the church.
In the end, after so many tries, I was so anxious that the top wasn't good enough. So I left it aside and I took some of the tops that I already had in my closet. And in the last moment, I decided that this top was much more me in respect of the others, so I tried to finish this top the day of the wedding. Why am I always so last minute? I don't know. So here you see while I'm trying to wrap it up.
I'm in the hotel room and I just finished it. Now I don't know what to do with this. But maybe I can also leave it like this. I still have a couple of hours tomorrow morning.
Also, the cake has been made the day of the wedding, so I had to do something extremely simple. It's basically a rectangle with a slit inside, like this. Because I was entirely purple from head to toe, I decided to go for golden accessories and I decided to use a yellow clutch. Isn't it adorable with the roses here? And I really think that the color blocking effect between the purple and the yellow is a win. And now let's see the final result. And also for this video, it's a wrap, a last minute wrap, but it's a wrap. So as per usual, if you want to support the Sara Nena channel, what you have to do is simply thumbs up this video and subscribe. It's the red button down there. It's for free, so why shouldn't you do this? Think about it. See you in the next one. Bye!